In politics, if it affects, then you are not a leader. You must take critique as if my goal is fixed, my aim is fixed. BJD, Navin. Kodi mude volte karchi, konto karchi. If it is coming as you have to be very alert to accept it. You should be open. Your critics are your best friend. Critics, kichi constructive rahe, kichi destructive rahe. Constructive, you should be open to it. Destructive, you should ignore it. So, affect tell you are not a leader. Entire 2019 election, he fought in 2 words. Apun mane khushi to. That is the connectivity he has through work and service. Nothing else.
That is the political career. One thing that you have learned from your political career, जोटा कि आपको like सब life रो aspect से shoot करे. Then what is that one thing?
बाबा सब बड़ा कोथ है. बॉबी public life रे तो public पाक जीबू, तांका भल पाइबा देखिबू, तो तू केते छोटो निजुक तो जानी पारिबू तांका सामने. कारण तांका भल पाइबा तो किछि रिपे कर पाइबो. से तो कहते बुझी पारना. डायरेक्ट आसिले नवीन से कथा कहते से गोटे चिंता ह्यूमिलिटी बी हम्बल तांका सामने किछि नै माने आपन एते छोट लागो तांका सामने आपन चिंता यू शुड बी ट्रूथफुल यू शुड बी एज ट्रांसपेरेंट हुआ